What's up, guys? I'm pretty sure I'm on the basketball channel. It's like 8 something, right? It's raining currently. I don't care about rain, any type of weather. I'm a cold-blooded creature. Oh, crap, I need a ball. This is a basketball hoop. If you can see it. Can I get like a light or something? Light. This is not going to be a very good video. But here we are. I'm going to go get a ball. Be right back. We have a ball. Oh, like 36 seconds. Oh. Okay, how am I recording this? Oh, that's a good one. See if this works. Wait. This would be funny if it works. Nope, wrong way. How's that look? You're on the hoop. Look at how great you are. Come on. Steph Curry. That might have been a bad idea. I don't know if you can see me at all. Okay, let's go from right here. Can you see that? Let's see. Okay, now just keep it like that. And I think you. Wait, we weren't playing? Oh, the video wasn't playing. No, I just hate so playing here. I had a good job. This video is being like 1 view. I don't know if I ever said that earlier. Wow, it's muddy. Come on, Steph Curry. Bang! Come on. Watch it stop. Just jam my finger doing that. Oh, come on. Oh! What a swish. How much time I got?